Before you can launch servers, you need to securely connect your cloud provider, and doing it the right way matters. CloudRaptor lets you connect your cloud accounts using encrypted credentials so you can manage infrastructure without logging into your provider manually. To get started, go to Settings, then open Cloud Credentials. Now let's connect an AWS account. Click Add Credentials. Start by entering a label. This helps you identify the account later, for example, Production AWS. Then enter your AWS Access Key ID, followed by your secret access key. Next, choose your default region, like US-East-1 or any region you prefer. Then click Save. Once saved, your credentials will appear in the list with an active status. From here, you can manage your credentials. You can view the label, a masked version of the access key, the selected region, and usage like how many servers are connected. If needed, you can delete credentials using the trash icon, but only if they are not linked to active infrastructure. CloudRaptor keeps your credentials secure using AES 256 encryption. Your secret key is never shown again after saving, and access is restricted to authorized users only. For best practice, always use a dedicated IAM user, avoid using your root account, and rotate your keys regularly. Once connected, you can deploy and manage servers directly from CloudRaptor without manually logging into AWS. That's how you securely connect your cloud provider and unlock full infrastructure management in CloudRaptor.